Assalamu alaikum guys. Today our topic is trust relationship between the domain and forest. What is trust relationship? It means suppose you can see how to how one domain can interact with other domain. Also how one forest can interact one forest can interact with other forest. Suppose we have one system server 1. This domain is kabul.com and now IP is 10.0.0. IP you can take 10.0.0.1, subnet mask 255.0.0.0, preferred DNS, give there 10.0.0.1 and take one other server 2. Here suppose take apptech.com, both are the separate domain. IP is 10.2, subnet mask is 255.0.0.0 and preferred DNS is separate 10.0.0.2. We have one client also. Client is IP take 10.0.0.3, subnet mask is 255.0.0.0, preferred DNS is 10.1 and alternate DNS is suppose 10.0.0.2. Now what we want, how server 2 user can log in with server 1 user. How server 1 client can log in to the server 2 machine. Also you can see how server 2 user can log in to server 1 machine. This is possible via trust relationship. Now guys, I have first server. This is my first server. Already domain has created by the name of kabul.com. IP I want to show you. Type there ncpa.cpl, properties. Here guys, IP I will take accordingly 10.0.0.1, 10.0.0.1. Here domain already we have created kabul.com. Here we have to create ncpa.cpl, properties, version 4, This is the separate machine, this is the separate server. 10.0.0.2, 10.0.0.2. Okay, click here server manager and install ADDS role. Simply next, ADDS, next, and install. Also we have taken one client. IP is, I can show you, this one not required, better just disable. Properties, take IP here, 10.0.0.3, 10.0.0.1, and 10.0.0.2. Press OK, OK, close. Now first server domain name is Kabul.com. So join with first server, but we can log into second server also after trust relationship. Computer name, change, name can be anything, I'm just giving baby, and here Kabul first server. In second server I'm trying to install ADDS role. Here administrator, password @123. So still we are installing. Here I'm trying to join this computer with the first server, Kabul domain. Okay, OK, close, restart this device so that computer name will update, also domain name will update. This is my second server. So DNS1 is the first server. Here also I have written first server name is Kabul.com, and second server we will create aptech.com, and then after we will create trust relationship between the domain. We have some types of trust also. Types of trust, like two-way trust. You can say one-way trust. One way means one side. Two-way trust means both sides. Transitive trust. In transitive trust, we can create two-way, one-way, whatever you want. We have realm trust. To interact with the Unix client, Apple client, maybe some other vendor, that is called realm trust. Non-transitive also you can use for external. Non-transitive trust you can use for external trust. So these are some types of trust you can use like this. Now this is the second server. Promote this server as a domain controller. New aptech.com. Take password, give anything, password @123, password @123. Next. So this is my separate network, separate server. Name is simply aptech.com, also not dependent to any other server, so that we will create trust relationship between first server and second server. Simply next and installation, there is a install option. Wait for some time, it will check one by one. Sometime it will give error message also if there is a problem. Install. So when we will perform this installation, so we can create the trust relationship. So move to the first server. Here start run domain.msc. Domain and trust will open. Right click and properties. Sorry. In Kabul.com, right click and goes to properties. We have to use this option, trust, between the domain. Now this is what Kabul.com properties. Here we have to create the trust relationship. Once installation will be over, then we have to create. One more thing, guys. This is the part of, see, switch user here. We have joined this computer with Kabul first server, but you can log in with second server. In second server we will create user, suppose by the name of user 5, and domain name is what, aptech.com. But this is the client of which computer, first server, that is Kabul.com. But we can log in with aptech.com also. Password @123. But before that we have to create user 5 in second server. So installation is almost over. It will reboot. After reboot, I will show you how we can join two different domain. Also you can join two different forest. So first domain is Kabul.com and second domain is aptech.com. So it will take some time. See, it's coming. Then I have given, just we have to log in, but before that we have to create this account in this one, so that we will verify. So this client can log in with first server and this client can log in with second server also. Now press just enter. See, welcome will come, but that will give error message. And once our server will be up, then we will create this account and I will show you here. It is just for verification. See, the username or password is incorrect. Okay, password @123. I will show you, but this is the part of Kabul.com, but we are trying to log in with aptech.com. Please wait. So it's coming. So guys, here message is applying security policy to the system. Here in trust we don't have any option, right? We have to create the trust. Will take some time. Message is please wait for the local session manager. Okay, full screen. Second server we are aptech.com. Password is password @123. So in this computer open dsa.msc. So I will create one user account by the name of user 5. New user 5, user 5, next, password @123, password @123. User 5 will create. Done. Close this. Now guys, domain.msc, domain and trust will open. Here just right click on domain and trust and goes to right click on aptech.com and goes to properties, trust, new trust, next. So first computer IP is 10.1. Press enter and wait for some time because it will interact with the first server. It will check the first server, then after it will process. So okay, here we have to give the domain name. Domain name is simply kabul.com. that is the first server. This is aptech.com. So here Realm Trust to interact with the other vendor. So I have simply you can press enter, otherwise next. There is some issue, just cancel, no problem. New trust, next, 10.1. Realm Trust you can create, no issue. Transitive, intransitive we have two-way, one-way incoming, outgoing, use anyone. Password @123, password @123. Next, finish. Created. Time is 2:17 p.m. (12:57 p.m.). So here also time should be 12:57 p.m. 12:57 p.m. Okay, date should be same, 3/14/31/2016. Change this. Three one 3/1/2016. 3/1/2016 12:58. Okay, this is the first server. Properties, trust, give here 10.0.0.2 that computer. So we are on server 1, it is kabul.com. So specified domain like aptech.com. Press enter. So it will take some time for process. So here is some error message. Check time 12:59 p.m. 12:59 p.m. 3126. Okay, no problem. Start run ncpa.cpl kabul.com. Properties, give here 10.0.0.2. okay, close this. This is my second server, ncpa.cpl. here guys, properties, give here 10.0.0.2. this one actually it is 1 and it is 2 10. okay, close this. New, next, 10.0.0.2. wait for some time. So now it will interact with the other system, not responding sometime. Actually system is little bit slow, so it will come like this. Aptech, next. So here now forest trust, next two-way, next both domain, specified domain, simply next administrator, give password @123. Here I can show you guys, this is the second server, trust 10.1. remove this, no problem. Realm trust, simply you can remove, press OK. Again right click and properties. We don't have anything, right? Okay. So authentication, that's okay. Next, next. So next, yes, outgoing trust also, because we can send the data and also we will receive the data. Finish. See, aptech.com. We are in kabul.com, but in trust we have aptech.com. Okay. F5. So here also will take some time, then we will see automatic option will come. See, in aptech.com, kabul.com will come. So this is about the verification. Otherwise, this is the client. Alt control insert, give here user5 @aptech.com and password @123. You can log in with first server, you can log in with second server, you can give aptech.com, you can give kabul.com. See, preparing your desktop, it will come. So this is for just verification of the client. So both are the independent server. Then after the trust relationship, we have trust between the organization. So client can log in with first server and client can log in with second server. Please wait for some time so that we will see the desktop also, preparing your desktop. So now see, computer properties, advanced system setting. See, password @123. Computer name is kabul.com, but we have login with user5, and user5 is the part of server 2. Here we have created. I can show you, start run dsa.msc. See, user5 in aptech.com. So this is about the trust relationship. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Khuda Hafiz guys.